So today friends going to install Google Chrome on Fedora 31. So when I hit this enter DNF install Google-Chrome-stable, it says no package or no argument something. Let me show you the operating system as well. It's a Fedora release 31. So in my previous video, or I'll share the link as well, where you can learn how to install the Fedora 31 on your laptop as well. So let me open the Firefox, Google Chrome download, go to the official website, download Chrome. I'll go with the 64-bit RPM package. This is for Fedora. Open SUSE, accept and install. The package is 59 MB, so save that file. It's going under my download folder. So Google Chrome stable current. Download finish. Let's jump to the download directory. So here is the RPM package. Let me expand the terminal screen as well. Let's help to show you. So use the RPM command with the IVH option and hit enter. Wow. So now it's going says lib app indicator and liberation found is needed by Google Chrome. Okay. So two dependency errors. No issue. Let's try to find out the fix. Who DNF what provides so the package name is libapp indicator. So DNF install okay. Let's give now the fonts only. So again hit the command fonts. Let me open a notepad as well. Edit, sorry. So I can save all the command for you as well, guys. So this is a copy paste. I'll share this command in description as well. So install this package. No match found anyhow. Give it without fun. taking time. So package is installed successfully. So there is an internet interruption in my laptop, so now going to hit RPM IST command again. Yeah, it's installing. Resource temporarily available. Anyhow, is this the Chrome available for me right now? It's asking no. What am I send? No, I don't want to send at the moment. So see guys, this is a version 79, the latest updated version of the Google Chrome on Fedora 31. And open the first site as well, Google. Yeah. Thank you for watching.